Hi everyone, I'm Kat Kahn from Bay County Public Library and here with another episode of Upcycled Origami with Kat. And today we are going to do what is called Iro Bako, and that is making an origami cube with 6 sheets of paper. You can see you can do different sizes. You can do just plain colored paper, as I did with this one. Or if you have origami paper at home, or this is actually gift wrap, I would suggest for this that you find like the craft paper quality gift wrap. It folds nicely and holds its shape better and works with the other paper to keep the shape of the cube. And this time I'm actually using some of my origami stash mixed with some nice colored printer paper. And what I've done, as you can see with these, is I have the print, 3 print and 3 solid, and I just try to kind of coordinate the colors. And you can fold different sizes. These big ones are folded with 7.5-inch square paper, and the smaller ones are like roughly 4-inch square paper. You can work with 6-inch square paper, and that's what we're going to be doing today. Also, I would also suggest that you try to find papers that are roughly the same weight and texture, so that the cube just holds together a little bit better. So what I did was I actually started folding some of these, because you have to do 6 of them. So what you're going to do is take your square of paper, have if it has a print side and a white side, put the white side up. If you're using printer paper, it doesn't matter. For the print paper, white side up, you're going to fold it in half into a rectangle. And with this, again, with all origami, it is always important to make nice sharp creases and just basically run your fingernails along that so you have a good sharp crease. Okay, you're going to open it back up and you're going to fold each of these edges to meet at the center of the paper. Like that. So you're going to have this shape, okay? Now, again, very important, you're going to be working with the right side to you. So for me, this is my right side. You're going to open up like this, and you're going to fold this edge up to meet to make a small triangle like so. And then close it and turn it around. And you're going to do the same thing on this side. And they have to be opposing corners, and in all the times I've done these, you have to do it from the right corner. So you're going to have this. Now, you're going to fold this edge up to meet this top folded edge, and you're going to use this folded edge as the marker. So you're going to fold it like this. And then you're going to do the same thing on this side. So it looks like that. Now, you're going to open it up a bit, and you're going to tuck this corner is going to go under this flap, like so. And this corner is going to go under this flap. So you're going to see that they're intersecting and fold it over. Turn it over to the plain side, and you're going to fold these points up to meet. So like this point is going to meet at this corner, right along that folded edge. Like that. Okay. And you're going to do the same thing on this side. And so you have this shape with these. Okay. I'm going to do one more. So, folding in half into a rectangle, folding the edges to meet the center crease. And then opening up and folding the right corner. And doing the other side. Like so. And then folding this up. And this one. And then tucking the corners underneath the flaps. And then folding the points up to the corner of the square in the center. Okay, so now we have all of our 6 pieces, and we're going to start fitting them together. So we are going to, basically you're going to tuck one of these in there. There we go. And as you start tucking these in, this is the tricky part, is putting them together. Trying to fit them. So that once you've got several together, then you're going to start fitting those flaps in. So we need to come over here. And that is, when it's 6 pieces, it's always harder. And so you just folding these corners in. Here we go. And then going to fold into here. This one is going to fold into here. And this one is going to fold into there. And there you have your Iro Bako. Now what I did was I folded several of them in different colors, and I did a couple big ones, one small one, and then I just got some of my heavy craft thread and a couple of beads. And to put this together, you're going to need these long quilting needles. And the Iro Bako made with the 7.5-inch square paper is about as large as you can go with a needle, which is roughly 3.5, almost 4 inches, somewhere around there. I'm not sure if the craft stores have any of these longer than that, but this is my longest one. Or you can just have in different colors and sizes, and you could just stack them to have like a shelf decoration. So you could do something like that. These are just kind of fun. You can, if you're trying to decorate like for a party or just for like springtime to have some pretty colors in your house, you could do that. Now, a couple of years ago for one of our Christmas origami programs, I used 3 of those to make this triangle shape. So you could also do that. And you can do it again in different sizes. In fact, this is my earrings are made with that. So you could even do jewelry and have fun with them. So I hope you will try making some Iro Bako and enjoy.